How much is
at KUFM Nigeria.
yeah? I just got my hair done, so let's do my makeup to find out if I really like it. I think I look so pretty. Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new week in my life. I hope you all are doing really good. I'm about to head out. I need to run a few errands for my businesses. You're coming along with me. Let's go. But this what do you think? How much is it?
At KUFM Nigeria.
Yeah? 4 glass. Thank you, bro. I just look for where to park because on airport road, if you park anyhow, they might tow your car. I'm even more scared of those people that will catch you for violating traffic. I don't know. So yeah, let's go see if there's any chair that I can afford. If not, we will go house. But I believe that I'll be able to buy a chair for makeup. So yeah, let's go. So, we're walking towards the shop right now. So this is where I'm coming to. Hi, Captain. Did you work here?
Is it too small? Is it too small?
Okay, let me be going to my chair. Yes, I was able to buy my chair. It's like very heavy. But we thank God. So this chair is pretty big. It didn't enter the boot. I'm going to put it in the back seat. Hey guys, so I was able to fit my chair in the back seat instead of the trunk of the car. Yeah, I'm very excited. I literally did not think that did not see myself buying a brand new chair this week, even though the old one I had has been begging me to change it. It broke last week while I was working on a client, and I felt very, very, very embarrassed, like what the heck. And I kept thinking, where am I going to pull out a chunk, 100k plus, to go and buy a brand new makeup chair? And I barely have like 2k left in my account. So you guys, if you're watching this, send me money, okay, or patronize my business if you're ever in Benin City. All right, so yeah, let's go to the studio and set it up. Hello, Captain. Can I get a normal trim? What are the prices? What are the prices?
15,000, 9,000, 8,500.
Which one is better? Shade this. I know this one. There's a lot of fake of this. Now why I not
Don't
buy
sell.
them? That's the last price of this one. It's you. Yeah. Bah. Let me see. This one, you say this one.
9,000,
This one cost
8,500.
This one I used to buy before. Bye. Just finished at my second spot, heading to my third location to meet my friend. So I just got to my friend's shop. This is her shop, House of Beauty. She does pedicure, manicure, fat reduction, everything. So let's go. Can you please open the door for me? I'm scared. All right, thank you very much. Oh, wow. Let's go. Alright guys, so I made it to my studio. In fact, the last stop I did was to collect clothes from my dry cleaner. This was what I was supposed to wear last Sunday, but I couldn't go to pick it up. But yeah, let me take the chair now into the studio and set it up for you guys to see it properly. So hello guys, good morning. It's Thursday morning. I woke up very, very early. So today I have a hair appointment. I'm on my way to my stylist, but first I want to go to the local market near me and pick up the hair extension I will be using today. It's so early, it's a few minutes past 7. She told me to come by 10. Let's go do that. Very. Yo. And that's so fun. Good morning. Good morning. I'm fine.
I'm fine, though.
Oh, good.
You don't look professor.
You should have like. I don't see you. I don't. Hi guys. So I made it to my stylist, but I couldn't find.
I don't know. Let me do small time. I'm coming.
Alright, no problem. Attachment bag. So I'm reusing the old one I used for my boho braids. The extension is still good. So we're just going to make do with what we have. just got my hair done, so let's do my makeup to find out if I really like it. And I think I look so pretty. I actually do quite like the hair. Like, yeah. I don't know, man. Like, it looks good. Okay. We need to make food because I'm hungry. Guys, tell me why everything used to finish like at the same exact time. Like, make it make sense, please.